It's kind of an opportunity to do something that you haven't done before or that you usually wouldn't get the opportunity to do on like a regular school day.
It's like for something that you're interested in, and it's not just like one of those core classes.
Derby Academy students got involved in our winter term initiative, and they focused on the United Nations Goals for Sustainability, which are these ambitious goals for a more sustainable planet by the year 2030. We wanted to suspend classes as usual here at Derby so students can dig in, get more hands-on, get out into the field, talk to experts, and from that, produce some real authentic learning. And the whole theme here, or the whole thinking behind this was, we wanted students to think globally, but to take action locally.
It was really kind of different and new.
It's really fun and you learn a lot. You learn like how things are built and like how things are made. We get to build really cool inventions and do really fun presentations.
You got to meet with different people from different grades, and I guess you get to learn about a different topic.
We've been talking about aquaponics.
We've learned a lot about pollution.
We just started learning about solar power. I thought, why doesn't everybody do this? It's really interesting to find out how it turns sun into energy and how it can like power buildings.
We went to the Walsh Brothers Inc. in Boston, and they talked to us how they use LEED to help make all their buildings.
I thought it was kind of cool because we got to go with like different grades and like make new friends.
It's nicer to like go out and see it for ourselves.
My group, we do like a lot of building and building mini models and stuff.
And we've been working on a proposal for getting solar panels at Derby, and we've just researched how much it would cost and how much it would save us.
When our students graduate from Derby, we want them to be confident leaders that look beyond themselves at the bigger picture. We have an obligation to help our students understand how they are personally connected to the major global challenges of our world. I mean, winter term asks students not only to think empathetically, but it asks them to turn empathy into action.
And it's definitely made me look at the ocean differently, very differently.
I kind of realized you have to appreciate what you have.
I think that there's a lot that we need to do to make the Earth a better place.